Hi, this is my D.E.M.E.T.E.R prototype build in TinkerCAD. The Arduino acts as the brain of the robot. It reads all the sensors and controls all the actuators. The ultrasonic sensor detects workers and obstacles, and based on program logic, it changes the LED color and controls whether the servo is latched or unlatched. It also controls motor speed. The DC motors drive the front wheels, and their speeds change depending on how far the worker is. The LED is the status indicator: red for alarm, green for follow mode, and blue for idle. The servo latch keeps the food drawer latched or unlatched. The temperature sensors monitor the drawer temperature, and the buzzer triggers an alarm when temperatures get too hot. So we're running the code. We can see that when we're above 100 centimeters, the LED turns red and the servo is locked. Also, our motors are not running. When we drop below that threshold of 100 centimeters, the light turns green, enters follow mode, and the servo is still locked though. Now you can see our motors are running. And when we drop below 60 centimeters, the LED is still green, the servo is still latched, but our motors drop their speed. And when we drop below 20 centimeters, the LED turns blue, it's now in idle mode, and the servo unlatches. And this will unlock the drawers so the worker can serve the food. And here we can see that the motors are off, so the robot has stopped. The last test is for the temperature sensor, and when this goes above a certain threshold, it will sound the alarm notifying the worker that the food drawer is too warm. And when the temperature drops back below that threshold, the alarm will turn off. And here is the code. So first I set up the libraries and variables, and then I defined the thresholds for the temperature, the distance, and motor speed. And then I wrote the helper functions for the LED, temperature readings, monitor, and controls. Next, I configured all the pin modes and started the serial monitor. And this is where all the logic is. It continuously runs this loop, and this loop will read all the sensors and decide the LED color, whether the monitors run and how fast, whether the drawer is latched or unlatched, and whether the alarm should sound or not. And I'll quickly just go back through. And that's the code. Thank you.